for analysis 2. The cost of cutting corners. Scenario. Bright Electronics, a growing electronics manufacturer, has seen a spike in orders, putting a pressure on the factory to deliver quickly. To meet the deadlines, Leo, the factory supervisor, decides to skip the regular safety checks. Hoping to save time, Mia, a diligent factory worker, notices that some equipment is malfunctioning and could be dangerous. She reports it to Leo, who dismissed her concerns, insisting there's no time to deal with it, and that workers should simply be more careful. What ethical dilemma is present in this scenario? Mia is having a hard time making a decision if iya bang isumpong ang katong problem about sa ilang electronic products sa katong higher position personnel para ma-address ang ilang kwan or unit kay ito lang. Para dilisad para walay consequences ma-face ang ilang company. Then, how should Mia handle this situation? Mia should report the problems about electronics to the higher position personnel so that they can address this kind of problems in their company and prevent these kind of problems in the near future. What are the possible consequences for the company and its workers if safety checks are ignored? If ilang nga problema sa ilang company, na ay possibility nga kanang mawalaan sila kanang customers trust, tapos pwede bawian sila business permit sa kanang government o ma-doubt ang ilang business reputation.
Tingnan dili ka istorya.
I've noticed that our safety measures are incomplete and some of our equipments are malfunctioning. What should we do, sir?
We need to work safety but easy para dali sa mga customer
Sir, I have some concerns about our operations. I've noticed that our safety measures and our equipments are malfunctioning. What should we do to this concern, sir?
No, we don't have much time for that. We need to deliver it as long as possible.
But our employees, sir, our workers are in danger, sir. Especially me, sir. I have a family, sir. We are in danger because our safety measures are incomplete due to the short time we have, sir.
Our factory will go down if we won't deliver it. And also tell our workers to be more careful.
Excuse me, ma'am. Naingon na lang ko ang concern sa ang supervisor, ma'am. Ang mga safety, ma'am, for us and workers, ma'am, kay kanang incomplete siya, ma'am, niya ang mga operation, ma'am, kay kanang malfunctioning. So, namin engage mi, ma'am, niya ang supervisor, ma'am, kay kanang wala siya i-disregard niya ang mga concern, ma'am. Kasi man ang angay buhatan, ma'am. So,
Please call the iyo. Ako siyang pangatanon, ug ako siyang istorya. Please.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir Leo, the HR
Wants to talk to you.
Miss she wants to call this her.
Uy, nga, hindi ka na angin na shortcut sa bintana.
Okay, come here.
What do you want to know?
Yung concern na itong employee, atong workers, nga daw imo mag-business. Para rin na silang safety. Nga no.
Itong importante kinsa.